Hello friends, welcome back to the best DILR set series. So far we have already covered around 4 beautiful sets of DILR. I'm sure you are actually gaining some confidence. You are learning how to solve different varieties of sets. Now as assured, you will really master this DILR set and how to solve different types of set for your CAT exam if you follow this series very religiously. Okay, so this is the new batch that is coming up. This is just the teaser of what you all are going to get in the batch. So if you really need some personalized attention, good content, and a good mentorship, I will be your mentor. You can contact me and you can register for the batch to batch. It is the most affordable batch with an EMI option at no cost. So I don't think that that you are going to have such opportunities in your future. So just make sure that you register for the batch in case you need any help. If you are doing the self preparation, fair enough. Even if you need to discuss with me any other thing beyond the course with respect to your CAT preparation, you can always give me a message and book an appointment. So this is the set that I have brought for everyone today. This so what I'll do is, before solving, I'll just want everyone to pause the video, solve this set, and comment your answers. What are your answers? What is the time taken? And what was the learning out of this set? That is very important for me to be motivated and to keep on working on these free DILR set series. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Each two-digit number corresponds to exactly one letter from an alphabet. Okay, each two-digit number. So which means how many two-digit numbers do we have? We have it from 10 to 99, right? Which means in total we have around 8. This is what 99 minus 10 plus 1, right? So these are 92 digit numbers, not 89. यहाँ पे बहुत लोग गलती करते हैं. Two digit numbers कितने होते हैं? 90 होते हैं, right? ठीक है. So each letter corresponds to 3 or 4 numbers. तो उसने बोल दिया है कि सारे 2 digit numbers जो है, which means all the 92 digit numbers they correspond to exactly one letter of alphabet. तो या तो A होंगे या B होंगे या C होंगे, right? So each of these 90 numbers are corresponding to some of the letters of alphabet. तो total कितने alphabets होते हैं? We have 26 alphabets, right? ठीक है. Now each letter corresponds to 3 or 4 numbers, और वो कह रहा है कि हर letter will correspond to 3 or 4 numbers. Okay, so let's see 26 into 3. If each letter is corresponding to 3 numbers, that means 26 threes are 78, right? हम जल्दी कैसे करेंगे? We know 25 threes are 75, so this is plus 3, so 75 plus 3 is 78. You just have to do mental maths. ठीक है? So each letter corresponds to either 3 or 4. Now 26 fours are similarly. बताओ बच्चों, 26 फोर जा कितना होता है? 25 फोर जा 100. So 26 फोर जा कितना होगा? 104, right? I will just add 1. So I know कि 26 3 जा 78 होता है, 26 4 जा 104 होता है, and I have to map 90 numbers. इसीलिए किन्हीं किन्हीं numbers को तो 3 मिला है, and some of the numbers are and some of the letters are mapped to 4 different numbers, right? ठीक है. एंड कुछ हमको नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि इस नंबर का ट्रांसलेशन ये होता है. सो we have to find the mapping ki T का मतलब क्या है, H का मतलब क्या है, and the trickiest part is every letter will actually correspond to 3 different numbers. यहाँ पे capital small का कोई difference नहीं given है question में, so we will assume कि सब same ही है. Now the question says how many letters corresponding, like it corresponds to 4 numbers. Okay, if the difference between any two numbers corresponding to a particular letter is a multiple of alpha, which is a constant number, which of the following cannot be the difference? Okay, and then which of the following cannot be the difference? Okay, and which of the following can be the numbers corresponding to S if S corresponds to exactly 3 numbers? Okay, perfect. So these are the 3 questions that we have to do. Okay, the following, it cannot be the difference. Okay, this is one thing that we have to take care of, right? Okay. Now let's see. So coming back to the question, पहला question है how many letters are corresponding to 3 numbers, right? So there are multiple ways of actually approaching this set. First is जो normal बच्चे करेंगे, जो prep zone में नहीं है, who haven't seen the videos, who haven't learned, what they will do is they must have done कि यार चलो मैं ना एक्चुअली मैं पूरा मैपिंग निकालता हूँ, ए का मतलब क्या है, बी का क्या है, सी का क्या है, डी का क्या है. उसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाएगा. दो इफ यू सी इट, काफी जल्दी ट्रिक पता चल जाती है. ठीक है, कि 29 is T, 17 is H, 14 is E, right? तो ऐसे ऐसे करके या तो तुम वो पूरा 1-to-1 मैपिंग निकालो and then you solve it, or what you can do is, ठीक है, let's assume कि 3 digit numbers, let's assume कि टोटल हमारे पास जो 3 नंबर से मैप्ड अल्फाबेट है, let's say those are X, ठीक है, and let's say जो 4 नंबर से मैप्ड अल्फाबेट है, let's say those are Y, right? Which means what I'm doing is I'm using this information that each letter corresponds to 3 or 4 numbers, and I'm saying that let X letters out of these 26 letters, let them correspond to exactly 3 numbers, and let Y letters correspond to exactly 4 numbers. Now I would know for the fact that X plus Y has to be equals to 26, right? Because I only have 26 letters. Fair. And I know कि because X जो letters है they correspond to exactly 3, तो इसका मतलब कितने numbers उन्होंने cover कर लिए? 3x. Similarly जो Y letters है they correspond to 4 different numbers, so they must have covered around 4 Y numbers, and 3x plus 4y should be equals to my total 2-digit numbers, which is equals to 90, right? Now I have these two equations, I can directly solve it, right? It's a very simple thing. You will get x equals to 14 and y equals to 12, right? Y क्या था? Y was the number जो 4 digit से mapped है. तो पहला question क्या है? How many letters corresponds to 4 numbers? Answer will be 14. Or you could have also directly seen कि यार 26 3 से 78 होता है, right? and 26 4 से 104 होता है, राइट? तो यहाँ से भी आपको डायरेक्टली दिख सकता है कि बिकॉज यू ओनली हैव 90 नंबर्स, राइट? यू ओनली हैव 96 नंबर्स, एंड थोड़ा सा अगर तुम पैटर्न एनालाइज करोगे तो वो दिख जाएगा कि वो सिक्वेंशियल जाता है, राइट? कि पहले ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे ऐसे करके जेड तक जाएगा, ए विल बी 10, बी विल बी 11, एंड देन पूरी सीरीज कंप्लीट होगी, फिर जो नया नंबर होगा ए का, है ना? तो दिस इज मेथड 2 कि इफ यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व द पैटर्न यू विल सी कि ए इज 10, बी इज 11, ठीक है, ऐसे करके पूरा जी तक आएगा, ठीक है? फिर जो ए की दूसरी वैल्यू होगी दैट विल बी 10 प्लस 26 दैट इज 36. तो दिस इज अनदर वे टू विजुअलाइज इट. तो यहाँ से तुम एक ऐसे कर सकते हो कि टोटल यू हैव टू मैप 90 नंबर्स, 78 नंबर्स हैव बीन मैप्ड, व्हिच मींस बचे कितने? जो 12 नंबर्स है, अगेन वो पूरा सिक्वेंशियली शुरू होगा ए से लेकर, ठीक है? तो व्हिच मींस कि 12 नंबर्स विल बी मैप्ड टू 4 लेटर्स, क्योंकि 78 तक सबने मैंने सारे लेटर्स को 3-3 नंबर से मैप कर चुका था. सो 12 जो एडिशनल है दोस विल बी मैप टू 4, एंड 26 माइनस 12 दैट इज जो 14 है दैट विल बी मैप टू एग्जैक्टली 3. So these I've discussed 2-3 ways of solving this question. ठीक है, it was an easy one. Now question number 2 and question number 3. It says कि A अगर मान लो जितने भी नंबर से मैप्ड है उसके बीच में डिफरेंस क्या नहीं हो सकता. So सी यहाँ पे काफी स्मार्टली खेलना है कि इफ यू हैव सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर तुमको वहीं पे दिख जाएगा. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल जस्ट सी कि मैं पहले S की सारी निकाल लेता हूँ पॉसिबिलिटीज. एक बार मैंने S की पॉसिबिलिटीज निकाल ली, देन आई कैन टेक द डिफरेंस एंड देन आई कैन कंपेयर माय आंसर, राइट? ठीक है, तो S एक ऐसे निकालूंगा. S कहाँ कहाँ आ रहा है? पहला S यहाँ पे आ रहा है, राइट? एक S यहाँ पे है. फेयर. तो जो was है एक बार देखते हैं कि what is the number that actually corresponds to was. So da is this, okay. Taj is this, Mahal is this, and was is this. So was it corresponds to 54. So I've gotten one number that is 54. I will just also keep on checking the option. Answer cannot be C, answer cannot be D. A और B में से अभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? Then we have designated का DES. So this is D, this is E, and this is S. So I know मेरे को दूसरा S का नंबर क्या मिल गया? 28 मिल गया, right? 28. So I will directly mark answer as B because only this is the option which has both the values. And I will see कि ठीक है 28 और 58 में 54 में डिफरेंस कितना है? 26 का है, right? तो यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन भी क्या कर रहा है कि because it's going to be a sequential event and if the difference between any two numbers corresponds to a particular letter is a multiple of alpha, which is not a prime number. यहाँ से मुझे क्लियर हो गया है कि हमेशा डिफरेंस 26 का होगा. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल नंबर्स आर द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 26. ए आंसर नहीं होगा, राइट? सिमिलरली 52 नहीं होगा, इट्स अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 26. सिमिलरली 78 नहीं होगा बिकॉज़ इट्स अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 26. सो आंसर हैज टू बी डी. That is it. We have solved this set within, I think, 4, 5, 6 minutes. And that is the level of speed you have to follow for your CAT examination. Such type of sets are commonly called as crypto arithmetic sets. You will see such sets in your examination. And if you want to be in our Hall of Fame, where we have where we have our highest percentile as there is 99.99, and so many guys with 99, do not miss the batch 2. If you miss batch 2 and plan for batch 3, that will be quite late. So I suppose that you're enjoying this series. Do let me know in the comment section how did you guys solve it.